Hello everybody, welcome to the first video of Joshua Learn HTML with Joshua, and I'm Joshua, and in today's video we are going to look at how do you get started with a file and the basic HTML structure and what is HTML. So I have open here the Visual Studio Code. It's a text editor. So first let's jump and tell that what is HTML. So HTML is standing for Hypertext Markup Language, which means that to make a website you need many other different programming languages, and HTML is the main one, or the basic of, or the skeleton of the website. And there are three main programming languages that you should use for making a website. One is HTML, the second one is CSS, and the third one is JavaScript. So HTML is the skeleton, and that's what we're going to learn. So now we are going to check this. So we open a file here at Visual Studio Code. Now we are going to save this file. So you go to File, Save As, and click the location where you want to save it. For now, for the video, I'm going to go to this plain text, and just scroll down this and go to HTML. Now this file has been turned into a HTML file. Or the computer will not be knowing what file are you going to be using. So now what I'm going to do is pretty simple. So the first thing that you're going to do is first you should go to File, New File, go to File, then go to Save As, and here you should go to your website folder. I'm going to save this in my website folder and make this as HTML. Most will be not having this, so I'm going to name this as anything, but you should have a .html with it. So I'm going to name this as example.html. So we will name this as example.html, and now we are going to type in some code. So I will show you some examples for HTML. I'm building a website like this for just fun. So this is what HTML is. I also am having a CSS file which all the styling of the website is. So now let's go to examples.html start coding in HTML. Now you can directly start coding in HTML. It's gonna be easy. So the first code is the basic. So the thing that you want to remember while doing coding in HTML, there's an opening tag and a closing tag. So this is an opening tag like this. This with a backward slash is a closing tag like this. So the first tag that you're going to use for the framework of HTML is the it's the doc type tag. Doc type HTML with an exclamatory mark at the first. So after you type the doc type tag, now we are going to start with the real HTML framework file. We're going to start with the HTML tag. So first is the HTML tag, and second we are going to do the head tag. And inside the head tag we're going to do a quick title tag. And title, I will go to this after some time, but now after the head tag is called the body tag. So I will tell you what all these tags do. So the HTML tags hold all the tags in, and don't worry because you can add multiple tags inside one tag. And inside the head tag is where all the headers go, and there's also a tag called a header which you can use. And the body tag is where the main screen we can type in stuff, and it will be shown in the website. Now to open this website, first you should click Ctrl+S to save this, and you should go to your website folder, which should be here in your in your folder in the library. Next, you should go to this where I have got example.html, and here we can see a website screen, which is just a classic website screen. Now what we are going to do is going to get back to Visual Studio Code and start coding. So now if we look here, we can get this here is known as example.html. Now we are going to make this example.html to something else. We will make this my website. If we save this thing, what we called in the title, like my website.html, my website, it will go here. As you can see, it's called as my website. And here in the body tag, we are going to look at the body tag. For now, we can talk about one a tag called as the paragraph tag. It's called as the P tag. And this what does is that you can type paragraph in the body, like we can tell hello world, and save this file right here. After clicking save, if we go here, we can get a quick hello world tag here. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We'll be doing more fun videos. In the next video, we are going to get more onto HTMLs, and we are going to work on more functions, more tags, building a complete website. Also, we will be following on solo learn after a few videos, which will be also helpful for you. So I will see you guys next time, and goodbye.